Hello everyone. Hope you are doing good during this COVID situation and all of you are safe. So today I am going to show you a very small and neat trick which will definitely help you. It's not a big deal to do this, but once you do this, you will start loving it immediately. The trick is when we open Tmux, generally this is the status line that you will see. But this is completely customizable. Now that being said, uh, the very useful trick to have here is basically have the IP address of the tunnel 0 interface in Tmux status bar. Now I use Tmux very frequently on various interfaces, and having the TUN0 interface IP on the Tmux status bar means that if I am connected to any tunnel, then the tunnel IP address is displayed in the Tmux, and I really don't have to do IP address show TUN0 all the time. The trick to do this is very simple. We can see that if we do a IPA, then we can see all the interfaces. I'll show this with WLP1 is 0, but that you can just replace with your TUN0 name, and that should work quite well. So the first thing that we are going to do is give a -O flag. The -O flag will make the whole thing appear in single line, but this is still too much to parse, so we will give -4 flag. So as you can see right now here, it is showing me the INET6 addresses and then the INET4 addresses. So if I am still grabbing for WLP1S0, I would still get 3 addresses, and I will have to figure out which one is the INET4 address, and then accordingly I will have to use that. But by using -4, I am avoiding all the my IPv6 addresses. If you want 6, you can just give 6 and grep -FEAT, because this is the link local address. So once I do this, I can see this has become much easier to display. Now after this, I can also add dev WLP1S0. This will only show me IP address show. So A is for address, by the way, so I can give it like this also, or I can just give it like A also. So now you can see that this has become reasonably simple to extract the IP address from this, and it is only showing me one line of text from which I have to extract the IP address. Now there are multiple ways in bash to extract this. I always like using bash, so I can always do print 1 2 3 4 $4, and we have the IP address, and then I can remove it with a sed command. But that's how basically you can just get the IP address of your interface. Now to use it for TUN0, I can just change this to TUN0, and if it doesn't exist, then it will say tunnel doesn't exist. Otherwise it will display this address, whatever it has got. Now the beauty of this is that this actually, the device TUN0 doesn't exist is actually going into STD error. So now the only thing that is left to do is you can add it to your Tmux configuration like so. So I can say set -G status right, and then my interface name, which is tunnel0, and the same command that we saw just now. IP minus O minus 4 address show dev ton 0 and awk for $4. And if your tunnel is up, then it will show you the tunnel 0 address. I hope you like this. Thank you.